In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely remove Todoist Chrome extension from your browser. So if you no longer need Todoist extension on your Chrome browser, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Chrome browser. And from here, go ahead and click on extension shortcut that is available here, and then click on manage extensions. If you don't see this shortcut, then you'll need to go ahead and click on the ellipsis here, and then from the list, scroll down to extensions and then manage extensions, and you'll be taken to a list of all extensions that you have. If you no longer need Todoist extension, there are two options. You can either just turn it off without removing it and it will cease to function. Alternatively, you can completely uninstall it, and to uninstall it, go ahead and click on remove and then confirm remove here, and by doing so it will be removed. So that's how you can remove Todoist extension from your Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.